Tip of the day: how to set up the bot tracker and extract real insights from bot activity. Start by heading to the Indicators tab, scroll to Sentiments, and select Bot Tracker. Now, let's make the data easier to read. Open the indicator settings. First, pick the exchange you want to analyze. We'll use Coinbase. Then, set the type to Delta. This highlights the difference between buy-side and sell-side activity. Click OK. You'll see some movement now, but let's make it even clearer. Go back to Settings, switch to the Style tab, and assign different colors for positive and negative delta values. This helps buy and sell signals stand out instantly. Hit OK again. Now you've got a clean visual of bot activity on Coinbase using the bot tracker. Watch for clusters of buy-side activity. They often come before price moves up. Likewise, heavy sell-side clustering can signal continued downside. Use the bot tracker to spot these shifts early and level up your trading edge.